Blueline Tech Studios.
Yo, what's up guys, what's going on? Here's Blueline Tech. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can use Scene AI to detect light. So as a blind person, I find it hard to know, or it's hard for me to know whether my light is turned on or off. And with Scene AI, that problem of me not knowing whether my light is turned on or off is solved, because there's a feature in Scene AI that literally tells me whether my light is turned on or off. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So you're going to open your Scene AI app.
Scene AI.
Turn right here, you're going to find more.
More, tab, 3 of 3.
Right there, so you're going to stop on that.
Selected, more, tab, 3 of 3, product.
Then you're going to look for light.
Light.
So when I tap on that, I'll hear a tone, or you hear a tone, and the tone is actually low pitched, which actually tells you the light is off. And it sounds like this. And when you turn your light on, the tone is going to be high pitched and it sounds like this. Yeah guys, I hope I was able to help you out, and let me know in the comment section if I was able to help you out. As I said, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and we're going to take a closer look at Scene AI in my next videos I'll be posting. It's going to be about Scene AI, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification.